just been moving, flipping again, did your haircut like that. The whip, did your haircut like yours.
My haircut like mine, with the blind guy in Bangkok. The blind hairdressing store. Great. Any questions? Marina Hotel for you. If you don't want to be there, if you run that going way up to the Deutsche Tech Mountain, we meet at the zoo. The zoo gate's about 7:30, we ride past. That's probably the go. If you're not staying at Marina, you want to be That way we don't have 80 riders at once, which is fine, but you can either meet us at the hotel at 7 or 7:30 at the zoo gate. That's easy for you. You might be on the other side of town, you're going back and forth, so you just go to the zoo for the animals, and or 7 o'clock at the Marina Hotel. And the mountain's good fun. We had a lot of good fun today. Who went up the mountain today? Yeah, mountain crew. It's a beautiful mountain, it's very safe. Big great drill, and you've got to get the best work out of your life. Nothing comes close to riding up the mountain. Nothing comes close. Kickboxing, running, swimming, nothing comes close. You're riding your bike up the mountain. Like that. Peace. Oh, yeah. You don't have to push it, just get up there. Nothing comes close to that.